Hello guys, today I'm going to do a tutorial as you see from the title, and it's going to be on how to seal up bread without, or any kind of bread, without having some kind of packaging something on it, like you don't have to package it or something. So let's get into the first thing. So what you'll need first is obviously your bread. Now, I actually was eating this earlier and so what you're gonna do first is, well, first let me move this thing. So first, what you're gonna do is, this keeps getting in my way. So first you're gonna get your bag, lay it down sideways, and you're gonna, well, you can lay it sideways or upward, but I'm just laying it sideways to show you guys. So I'm gonna twist this. Then you wanna squish some of the air out of it, but make sure not to squish the bread. And you're just gonna do this, and then it's packaged. So, okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my fridge. I'm gonna open my beautiful fridge, and it's not actually beautiful, but just saying. Then I can put it in my fridge, and it'll be safe. And it won't go, it won't mold, and it won't, yeah. Because I actually tested this out once, and it worked. Yeah. So, yeah. I hope you have a wonderful day. And, I'm sorry if the thumbnail looks really weird, but, I'm sorry if the lighting keeps changing, too. Everything's going off. It's so weird. So, have a wonderful day, and yeah, I'll have all the information stuff in the description of things and stuff. So, love you guys. Love you guys so much. So, bye. Okay, something just went off in the background, and I don't really care. So, bye. Okay, that was awkward. I'm sorry. But anyway, bye guys.